Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a macrame butterfly pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I went ahead and attached 10 ropes to a dowel rod using a larkset knot. And my ropes are all measured about 8 feet long. Now, skipping the first 3 sections of rope, I'm going to take the next one and I'm going to point it down and to the right and tie 3 double half hitch knots around this rope. Like that. And now, skipping the 3 sections of rope here on the right, I'm going to take the next rope and repeat the same process by pointing it down and to the left and tying 3 double half hitch knots around this rope. Connect both these ropes here with another double half hitch knot. Now, using the 4 ropes here at the base of our V, we're going to make a berry knot. Now my next step is to take the end here on the far left and I'm going to point it down to go diagonal towards the berry knot. When I tie my first double half hitch knot, I'm going to leave a little bit of space up top, just about an inch. will repeat the same process on the right. Again, making sure I leave about an inch of space up top. Taking the 4 ropes in the middle, I'm going to take the 2 on the outside and cross them over the 2 in the middle so I can tie a switch knot. So I just use this rope here to tie my square knot. Time to form the left wing of our butterfly. So I'm going to take the string on the far left and tie 2 double half hitch knots around it while I point it kind of down and to the right. Going to point that same leading rope down and to the left to tie 2 double half hitch knots with the same ropes we just used. I'm going to take that same cord and point it down, back down and to the right and tie 3 double half hitch knots. Now it goes back down and to the right, and this time I'm only going to tie 2 double half hitch knots. I'm going to take my same leading cord, and this time is going to point it back down and just go 2 times with double half hitch knots. Up to this square knot, you'll notice that I have 2 cords in the middle. I'm going to take the one on the far left and I'm going to point it down and to the left and connect it with this cord right here. So I'm going to be tying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double half hitch knots around this rope. I'm going to repeat the same steps I did on this side here on the right. So we're basically just making a mirror image. just like that. And now my final touch is kind of to make a little bit of a body below the wings. So to do this, I'm just going to take the 2 ropes in the middle and tie alternating half hitches. There we go. This is a little take on a macrame butterfly. You can switch up this design partly by adding maybe square knots in the wings. You could even weave inside the wings. You could change the way you do the tail or not include the tail at all. And also you could just make the antenna extra long and not do a little head. If I was to redo this little butterfly, I think I would have added a knot right here just to kind of fill in the gap. But I am very happy with how this turned out, and I hope you guys like it as well. You can add this pattern to any kind of wall hanging or other macrame artwork you would like. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.